Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce ODOT's Digital Input Module. The DT-121F is a 16-channel digital input module that supports high-level input and can connect to PMP-type sensors. The module can collect digital output signals from field devices, such as dry contacts or active output signals. It is compatible with 2-wire or 3-wire digital sensors. The module also supports a digital signal hold function. The hold time can be configured in our configuration software. On the top of the module, there are 16-channel indicator lights, as well as power and star status indicators. We can check the module status through the status indicators and view channel status via the channel indicators. Below that, the terminal block adopts a remote, plug-and-play design, making on-site module replacement convenient. Each terminal features a backlit design. The wiring gauge for the terminals has been upgraded from the previous 1 mm superscript 2 to the current 1.5 mm superscript 2. On the side, you can see the wiring diagram of the module. On the back of the module, you can see the power backplane and the bus backplane. The module supports dual redundant backplane buses, which greatly improves data refresh rates. The rear supports 35 mm standard DN rail mounting. Release the clip on top to install it onto the rail, then press it down to secure the module in place.